Hello dear students of Standard 8. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. I am your social science teacher Nitin Pushpatode. Students, today I will take the revision of the First War of Independence 1857 Part 1. So let's start our today's online session. The Revolt of 1857. Students, what about the Revolt of 1857? Listen, the Indian Rebellion of 1857 was a major but ultimately unsuccessful uprising in India in 1857-58 against the rule of the British East India Company, which functions as sovereign power on behalf of the British Crown. Students, the Revolt of 1857 was the landmark in the history of India's struggle for freedom. It started on 10th May 1857 with the mutiny of soldiers in Meerut cantonment. The revolutionary soldiers marched toward Delhi. Students, different sections of the society like peasants, artisans, soldiers, educated Indians and many Indian rulers joined hands to fight heroically against the foreign rule. Hindus and Muslims also came together to oppose the foreign dominance. Students, the event was also called the Uprising, the Revolt of 1857 or the Sepoy Mutiny by the British. But Indian historians call it the First War of the Independence as it was the first time that different sections of the society united and fought against the British rule. Students, ever since the British had set foot on the Indian soil, the nation was losing its wealth and independence. The aim of the British was to exploit the resources of our country. From 1757 onwards, they won almost every battle against the Indian ruler. So finally, 100 years later, in 1857, a number of Indians revolted against the exploitation. That means held the revolt against the British rule. So this was the primary information about the revolt of 1857. Students, causes of the revolt. Yes. Students, what are the physical and economic causes of the revolt of 1857? Listen, first, physical causes. Students, the revolt was the outcome of the widespread resentment that had been against the British for a long time. Yes, students, the Indian sepoys were dissatisfied with the ill treatment of British. Okay, so the Indian leaders like Bahadur Shah Zafar, Tata Tope of Gwalior, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, and Nana Sahib of Kanpur. Okay, they faced the many problems of British rule. Students, they led the revolt in their respective territories. The common people of Delhi, Lucknow, Gwalior and other places had no narrow ambitions of the power or money. Okay, so another physical cause is what? Doctrine of lapse. Listen students, the policy of annexation of Dalhousie, particularly the doctrine of lapse, created fear and resentment among the Indian rulers. Students, Lord Dalhousie was appointed as the Governor General of India in 1848 by the British Council. Okay, so he imposed the doctrine of lapse. Students, what about the doctrine of lapse? Listen, under the doctrine of lapse, they were not, that means Indians were not allowed to adopt higher to the throne. This policy ensured that those kingdoms where the kings did not have a natural heirs would be taken over by the British after the demise of the king. So this was the important physical cause of the revolt of 1857. Okay, then students, what are the economic causes? Listen, first, problems of land revenue. Students, the policy of economic exploitation and the destruction of the traditional Indian economic structure by the British caused widespread resentment among the Indians. Second, students, the Jamindari systems. What do you mean by the Jamindari system? Listen, a system of land holding and tax collection by Jamindars. It refers as Jamindari system. Students, the Jamindari system exploited the peasants who were forced to grow only those crops that the British industries required. They were tortured or jailed on failure to pay the revenue in time. Then, next, students, annexation of the on. It was also another most important economic causes of the 1857 revolt. Okay, students, the common people face the unemployment and poverty. Then, on when the Awadh was occupied by the British, Nawab's officials were dismissed and his army was disbanded. About the 60,000 professional soldiers lost their livelihood. So, in such a way that students, the annexation policy of the British government, it became the important cause of the 1857 revolt. Students, what are the social and religious causes of 1857 revolt? Listen, the social reforms by the British were interference in the customs and traditions of the Hindus and Muslims. Many Indians opposed the introduction of Western education and the conservation of Indians to Christianity. That means, students, British government introduced the education system in Western education system in India. So this factor led to the Khomeini revolt and the causes in our country. Students, the Hindu law of property was changed to enable a Christian convert to receive his share of the property. The spread of the railways created further fear among the poor and illiterate sections of the society that they would lose their caste. Students, Indians were not allowed to travel in the first class train compartment. That means this was the discrimination done by the British with Indians. Okay, then students, the moreover, the British looked down upon the Indians and followed a policy of racial discrimination with them. They considered themselves as superiors as compared to Indians. Okay, so ultimately, students, they advocated a judicial system based on principle of equality, but in actual practice, it was biased. So, students, this was the social discrimination, okay, had done by the British with Indians. Okay, students, what was the military causes of 1857 revolt? Listen, students, ultimately the sepoys had helped the British to establish the empire in India, but instead of receiving awards or the promotions, okay, they were humiliated by the British. That means, students, British government recruited the Indians as well as the European soldiers, but they offered the high salary only the European soldiers. Okay, they were offering the less salary to Indian soldiers. So that's why there was a great conflict among the Indian soldiers with British rule. So students, finally it hurt the feelings of the soldiers as Hindus believed that overseas travel would lead to the loss of the caste. So this was the military cause of 1857 revolt. Then next ones, what was the immediate cause of 1857 revolt? Listen, the cartridge of the new Enfield rifle had a greased paper cover which had to be beaten off before the cartridge was loaded into the rifle. It was said that the grease composed of beef and pig fat. Both the Hindus and Muslims refused to use them as the cow is scared to the Hindus and the pig is detestable to the Muslims. Okay, students, so this was the immediate cause of 1857 revolt. Okay, students, it's time to check your knowledge. Here are some questions as assignment. Okay, you have to write the answers of these questions. Students, I will take the revision of remaining portion of this lesson in the next online session. So, till then, thank you very much and have a nice day.